Hello and welcome to this special interview with a special athlete, PV Sindhu at India Today. Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
I hope you're doing good.
Yeah, I'm doing fine, thanks.
Perfect. Let's start with this I Retire campaign. Uh, some really thought that you were going to retire, and some even responded.
Yeah.
What was your response to the response that you received? Did you get any interesting response which you can share with us?
Well, I think I gave a mini heart attack to everyone, firstly. But then, yeah, everybody started asking me what happened, what happened. But I actually cleared. I actually told them that read the full thing, then you will understand. So basically, what I meant to tell was, I retire from the negativity, what was going around, talking about the COVID, especially. you know because right now we are in such a situation where everything has come to a standstill, and nobody knows what's going to happen next. So that is what I meant, that I retire from the negativity, what was going around, because the last few months were really sad, where we couldn't travel, everybody was staying at home, and what don't know what to do. So that is when I think connecting to this nature protect, that is when I would say that it is very important to make sure that we are hygiene and we are safe, and it is very important to have that confidence and feel that okay, everything is safe now, and move forward.
And you're talking about retiring from the negativity. How difficult is it for a professional athlete to deal with a situation like a pandemic? And what excited you about this Nature Protect idea, product, brand?
So, firstly, I would say definitely it's a tough task for everyone, because not playing tournaments, or not about tournaments especially,
Yeah.
but not training, not playing on court like a normal process. So it was a bit sad, and we were really eager to come back on court, because initially it was like daily you go practice, come back again, practice, come back, but all of a sudden we just staying at home doing nothing. So it is definitely a different thing for all of us. But
Yeah.
yeah, apart from all that, I think we've learned new things, and we've seen world in a different way. And yeah, I think so connecting that with the nature protect, I would say, especially for me, I felt it was a really good thing, because
Hmm.
for me, when I connect to it, it's basically like I travel a lot, I train,
Yeah.
and when you come back from training, or when you actually play and hit your racket onto the surface, that is when the context of the nature protect is, it's like a
Hmm.
360-degree approach, where when there is a on the go spray, which is I use on my rackets after I finish training, and also
Okay.
there are these wipes when
Yeah.
I use on my kit bag after I finish training, and the surface cleaner, where
Hmm.
when I go for training, I sit anywhere, wherever I sit, I use them to actually clean the surface, where I make sure that everything is hygiene and clean. And also there is this detergent, where when you go out, train and come, you wash your clothes.
Yeah.
And yeah, there is also a vegetable cleaner, where
Yeah.
when you buy vegetables, when you get them home, you generally clean them with water and put them inside. So it is a good thing that you have this vegetable cleaner. So it's like you have everything in this. And the main motto is, it's basically is hygiene, and you have to
Yeah.
make sure your hygiene. And also it is a neem extract and naturally derived active. So altogether I felt this is a very unique thing, and I really liked it, because I've used it, and I felt really good. So it's like a daily thing, where I make sure everything is neat and clean, and on and make sure that surroundings also will be clean, and I hope everything will be fine. So these are the things where everybody needs to know on a daily basis, and you have to make sure that it's not just for now or just for a couple of days. It
Yeah.
needs to be like forever, I feel, because you know we are in this new world, where
Yeah.
we are in a situation where we don't know what to do, but we have to make sure that if we are hygiene and safe, then we are safe, and we can move forward, and we will have that confidence.
strange times calls for, extra precautions. Yeah.
Yeah, we have to take care of ourselves. Yes.
Moving on, ma'am, what is the idea behind training in London? As in, what were you specifically looking at improving before taking a call? Was it a sudden decision, or did you plan this for quite some time?
Well, I was actually planning it for a very long time. I think
Mm.
back then, 2 years back, yeah, because every time I used to go for a tournament, and they
Mm.
used to say that, let's try this out. It's about the nutrition and the sports analysis, but I didn't actually have that enough time to
Yeah.
see what it is and actually spend time, because all the
Mm.
time we were in this busy schedule, and I was traveling and I didn't
Yeah.
know, like, when to break it or when to take a break. So I think this is the right opportunity and this is the right time to actually make sure and learn stuff. So I thought, yeah, why not now? Because once the schedule starts again, then it's going to
Of
be like,
course. Yeah.
continuous. Yeah, so I will not have time. So yeah, this is the right time, and I've come here for the body analysis and my nutrition and stuff. So it is definitely helping me out, and I'm sure that it'll be different, and I'm working on them. So yeah.
Perfect. And is it a short-term plan? Is it only looking at the Olympics, or is it going to be a long-term plan? Are you going to keep coming back?
Yeah,
Are
I
there
will
any plans?
definitely, yes, I will keep coming back, but definitely it's going to be a long term, because nutrition is where which is very, very important, and sports analysis is actually linked to the science. As you
Yeah.
know, science is definitely a vast thing. It's a big thing where it is a continuous process.
Hmm.
So I'm sure things will work out, and yes, unless like till I play, I mean, definitely I'll be playing a couple of years more.
Yeah, of
So
course.
like to maintain in that top level, I think everything
Yeah.
is connected to each other. So yeah.
And talking about Tokyo Olympics, this additional 1 year wait, is it a good thing or a bad thing for PV Sindhu? And how important is it to be mentally clear and mentally strong during this period?
So yeah, there are some advantages and disadvantages, I would say,
Yeah.
because when there were just a couple of months for Olympics,
Yeah.
yeah, we were all, like, I was preparing really good and I was in my top form, peak
Hmm.
form. But due to this COVID, unfortunately, they said that, oh, we are planning to postpone the Olympics.
Yeah.
And that time I thought, yeah, it's a sad thing, but also I just thought, apart from all this, life comes first.
Of course.
If yeah, life comes first, and it's very
Yeah.
important to take care of yourself first. And that is when
Yeah.
it's fine. I mean, it's just one more year and I will work hard. And in this process, we couldn't play any tournaments and everything got cancelled. So in one
Yeah.
way, I got to learn new things and different things and improvise different things. So,
Yeah.
and learn different strokes and stuff. So it's kind of an advantage where I got enough time to actually train and practice and
Hmm.
improvise different things. And I'm definitely going to implement whenever the tournament starts. So yeah.
Coming to that, you said you got the time to, work on your skills and all that. So if there was one particular thing during the lockdown that you consider as an advantage, what would that be? That the time away from the sport, what did it give you?
Like, yeah, I think patience, because when you compare with everything, when about this COVID situations, not training, staying at home, tournaments getting cancelled,
Yeah.
and you're just training and no tournaments, like you have to train for a very long period of time, you don't know when are the tournaments going to start. I think
Yeah.
all of this together, I think patience is the main thing,
Yeah.
because that is when you will get to know things and you will actually have that patience to wait. Okay, what is
Yeah.
next? You don't know, like, you're just training and you don't know when it is going to start.
Yeah.
uh, you don't know when is this COVID gonna go. But
Yeah.
yeah, I think I've learned a lot of patience, and also being hygiene and staying
Yeah.
safe. Yeah, because these are the things which you have to have for a lifetime now.
Yeah. And you're going to enter the Olympics as a world champion. Is it going to be additional pressure, or is it an added advantage? How do you look at it?
Well, it is an added advantage as well, but yes, I have to make sure that the responsibilities and
Yes.
is they are going to be a lot, because compared to 2016, it's going to be very different. The
Of
responsibilities
course.
and people's expectations are a
Yeah.
lot more. I understand that, so
Mm.
I go with the mindset that yes, I have to just give my best and play my 100%. So yeah, that's how I am right now, and I'm confident that I will do well. So yeah, looking forward and really excited, looking forward for the tournaments to start.
Great. And one question, how do you react to rumors, ma'am? As in, there is a there is a point which tells you, okay, this is I have had enough. I have to respond. How do you how do you identify that point, or how do you deal with rumors? Do you just brush it aside, or does it affect you at some point?
Well, yeah, a lot of things keeps coming in social media and stuff.
Yes.
So I think I generally don't actually react so much. Sometimes I
Mm.
just like, okay, it's just very important, what you think, and
Yeah.
what the truth is. That is very
Of course.
important, and that's what matters. And
Mm.
if it's really bugging you, then you have to just go straight forward and say, you know what, this is it.
Yeah.
But I think apart from that, I really don't keep it in my mind. But when I train, it's just training, and yeah, I just focus on my training. So I really just don't think about, okay, oh, this is what it is. Yeah, I don't really think about it, and I really don't care.
Good.